Hi everyone, David here from BeyondEV, and I thought it'd be a good time to record part two of the repair of my BYD Seal and give you an update of how things are going. And you might have noticed this month I haven't been dropping a lot of videos as what I usually would. It's Christmas time, there's a lot of things happening at the moment, and I just haven't had the time to get the videos done and out. And even this video today is about a week later than what I'd like to have it out. But with Christmas and New Year's and school holidays and everything going on, it's just been difficult to follow the same schedule I did previously. I do actually have 3 videos in production at the moment, so they are still coming. I'm working on all 3 of them at the same time. I was working on 4. I did drop the Violent Mode one a couple of days ago. I do have a few more in the pipeline, so they will be coming, just not coming as quickly as what they usually would. But there have been some developments in my BYD Seal repair, and like I said, this is about a week late, but essentially the latest of what's happened is on Thursday last week. So I think, what's that, Thursday the 11th or 12th I think, of December. I got a phone call from Sheen Panel Service in Cheltenham telling me that parts for my BYD Seal had arrived and they're ready to book me in to drop the car in and get it repaired. So at that point, they asked if I had the hire car organised. I did not. So they said they would raise that with the hire car providers and get back to me. On Monday, I got contacted by on Friday, the very next day, I got contacted by the hire car providers and went through the details and T's and C's of the hire car that I would be getting, and they said they would have it ready for me to pick up from Sheen Panel Service in Cheltenham whatever day I drop my car off. Now that day happened to be Tuesday this week. I think it's Tuesday the 17th of December. My car went into Sheen Panel Service. They took it in and I ended up driving away in my hire car. Now, I'm not going to tell you what hire car I'm getting because that is one of the videos I'm working on and will be releasing shortly. It's going to be a review on it, and in particular a review of it in comparison to a BYD Seal. And I think you would actually, a lot of people who are BYD Seal owners might find it interesting, particularly if you're new BYD owners and we're wondering what they might have possibly missed out on had they picked on something else. So keep an eye out for that. But essentially what they've told me is that the parts are here. So going from when I actually first dropped the car in to get it assessed, that was November the 14th. So it took almost exactly 1 month for them to get the parts in and ready to fit to the car. There is still one part that they are actually waiting on. They can get the bulk of the work done relatively quickly once labour frees up for them. But essentially there is still one part outstanding. I can't remember off the top of my head what part that was, but I actually thought the turnaround time for those parts was quick. 1 month for what I believe is the rear diffuser, most likely the reinforcement bar. Not sure what is actually missing. The rest will just be panel work, like the boot cavity has been caved in, so they can just punch that out. That doesn't need to be replaced. 1 month's pretty good. I was expecting longer. I honestly thought it would take a couple of months just to get a rear bumper in or something like that, but to have it there within 1 month leads me to believe that they either had stock on the ground or that logistics and supply chain or turnaround time on getting that ordered from China is actually relatively quick. Now, a bumper is probably pretty common. I would say that for a bumper, that's what I would probably expect. If you do get into a little bit of a fender bender yourself, something a little bit more complex might take a little bit longer. But if you do get rear-ended, expect to wait about a month for the parts to arrive in a BYD Seal. So as far as fitting and labour is concerned, it's Christmas time. I'm not sure. I think they've got a lower labour force because people are on holidays and leave like that. So, and they've got a lot of cars in the lot to get panel repairs. So they've asked me if I could come back after New Year's to collect the car. So, we're talking maybe 2 or 3 weeks to get the actual repairs done. That'll also give them enough time for that extra part to arrive and have that fitted as well. So now, would this happen any other time of the year? Don't know. but it's going to take probably another 3 weeks. Oh, let's say another month, say the 15th of January, to get this done. This means that from the day the incident occurred, the 13th of November, to having the car completely repaired and back in my hands, I'm expecting mid-January at this stage, which means it's taken just 2 months for that to occur. And I've got a loan car provided in the time that I haven't had the car. So next video from me is actually about this whole series, is going to be a review of the car that I've been provided as a hire car. Keep an eye out for that. But if any other developments come up in the meantime, I might do another chapter as well. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in this and want to stay up to date, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I've got plenty more videos headed your way. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.